I'm Steve Giovinco. I'm an artist in New York, a photographer, and live and work downtown in East Village. I'm interested in some kind of emotional connection in some way, and to have it revealed in these landscapes. So again, it could be this interior landscape through these buildings or these other giant landscapes of Greenland. So there's like a feeling of, mystery. One thing that I've done since the residency was put together and compile the photographs, which I uploaded to a blog post, but I'm gonna add that formally to my website. This was really helpful. The residency was really helpful because I had a whole bunch of other ideas of photographing other interior buildings. So I was thinking of like Detroit, and I applied to a artist residency or program at University of Michigan. And for that project, I proposed to photograph inside the train station that's being renovated. The residency really provided a whole lot of other ideas to move forward in. Let's see if you can see this. I'm gonna try to show you. I mean, for me, it was fantastic, mainly because you were there by yourself. So I think that was really great for me. I mean, sometimes it's great to be with others, but I think it was fantastic to be on my own. I mean, like have a house, have a car. I mean, it was like insane. To have those things was just amazing. And then to have access to this giant building, it's completely mind-blowing and unique to have that. And to also, I think, one part that I think was really interesting is to have the other workers that were there. So I think that was a really kind of unknown element that I think was really interesting and helpful, and made it feel sort of grounding too. Like, yeah, I'm like a worker, I'm like an art worker. Going there, I would, put on my hard hat, bring my camera, and I would joke to my girlfriend to say, yeah, okay, now it's time for my art shift at the factory, and would go there for like 12 hours or maybe come back to the house for breaks, but really would put in a hard day's work. My website is probably the best place, stevegiovinco.com. And I have a blog link to a few of them, actually, because I did some other ruminations or a couple of blog posts. One that has like a bunch of images, more of a portfolio. And then there's some other maybe thoughts on what it was like to be in this be inside, and just what the feelings were and things like that. But yeah, the website.